Hello, welcome everybody. This video is the continuation of the former video we did, which is how to cut a straight dart blouse. So this is the continuation, that is cutting the back part. So before you cut the back part, all you have to do is what? Just trace out your front part first. Okay, so after you have finished tracing out your front part, now you have your front part. So next thing you need to do is what? Get a paper or get your fabric, fold for the back part exactly the same way you folded for the front part. Please note, the same way you folded for the front part. That is the highest circumference divided by 4 plus 5 inches. Now, after folding for the back cutting, next thing you need to do is what? Keep this one aside first. Then mark out 2 inches. These 2 inches is for what? The zip allowance. Okay, now let's mark it out. After marking it out, join it with a stretch rule. Okay, as you can see, we have 2 inches here. So all you need to do is what? Place this one like this. Okay, so after you finish placing it like this, if you have a pin, just pin it together so that it will not shift. Okay, now you finish pinning it together. So next thing you need to do is what? Use your marker or use your chalk, trace out the front to get your back. Remember, I said the armhole effect is only applied at the front, not at the back. So in that case, if you are tracing out this very part, say I'm going to trace it out. Remember, the way you apply that armhole effect, we step back with what? Half inch. Now I'm putting back that half inch. Okay, continue tracing out from this very point. All this tracing is just to get your what? Back part. Now after you finish tracing out, also trace out the what? Measurement points. Okay. Okay. Now another thing you also need to trace out is the what? Dart points. Okay, let's do that. Now you can also use your pin. Pin it like this. When you pin it like this, now turn this and mark. Are you seeing it? This is simplest method. You can do it on your fabric with your chalk and pin. Okay, now next thing you need to do is what? Also still use your pin. Pin this one like this, mark. Pin this one like this and then mark. Okay. You can also pin this one like this. This one is not compulsory, but you can just still do the same thing and mark. Now look at this very point. I'm not going to pin this one exactly here. Why? Because at the back part, the dart does not start at 1 inch below the bust point. Rather, it starts at where? It starts at half inch below the what? Armhole line. Please, that is where the back dart starts from. 1 inch, half inch below the what? Armhole. Now see the armhole line. We're also going to mark it out at the back. Are you seeing it? Okay, that is it. So all you need to do after this is what? Remove this front part. Remove it. Now trace back your line just to get your line here. Now trace back the armhole line. Okay. Remember, like I said, the back dart starts from where? Half inch below the what? Armhole line. So look at it now. Half inch below the armhole line. Half inch. Now mark it out. So all you need to do now is what? Join your dart points. Join it together with a stretch rule. Now let me join it together. Okay, so this is actually the back part. I finished marking out the dart. Remember what I said? For the back part, the only difference between the front dart and the back dart is that the back dart starts at half inch below the armhole length, while the front dart starts from where 1 inch below the what bust length. But the truth is that at the down part, the dart stops at what 2 inches above the hip line. It is the same to the front. Remember, as I told you, the only difference is where it starts. Okay, so that is it. So now you finish marking out the dart. All you need to do is what? Mark out the what? Back neck. Now, is either you leave the back neck exactly as the front, or you make the back neck higher than the front. That is making it a what? A high neck. Now, in order for you to do that, remember the neck width we used was what? 3 inches. Now, this is the 3 inches. Now, and the depth we used in front was what? I think we used up to 5 inches. Now, in this case, now we are going to make it a higher neck, so we are going to use 2 inches. Okay, look at it. So remember, as I said earlier on, whenever you want to get a neck, you also have to get what we call the what? Neck block. Okay, this is the neck block. So in order to get our curve, remember, we always use our what? 1 inch diagonal line to get our neck. So looking at this now, this is really how to get the what? Back part of the straight dart blouse. Remember, if you are still working with your what? Princess dart, all you need to do is what? The same way we did in front. From here, just connect down to the middle of here to get your what? Princess dart. So that is it. So thank you for watching this very video. If you have any question, please don't fail to comment on the comment section below, and also make sure you subscribe. Thank you very much.